Hello everyone, I'm Shahnath. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'll be telling you that how you can get data using Postgres, and I'll be telling you about that how you can what is the syntax, and I'll also giving you an example and showing you the live demo of it. Also, I'll be creating some thousands records or 500 records. Let's see how many records. I'll just create fake users so that I can explain sorting techniques as well as where clause and and clause in the future video. So that's why I'm doing that. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's jump into the syntax, and the syntax is very much simple to get data. That is select star from you have to write the table name. Okay, cool. So if the table name is user, then you will be writing user. If the table name is person, then you will be write person. So it is basically like that. Select and the star indicates that all of the columns it will be fetching, right? And if you are mentioning a particular column, then it will be returning only that column values of that column, and star will return the full table, right? So this is the default value. Let's now, this is the basic syntax. I hope you guys get it. Now I'll be jumping into an example that how we can use that in real life. So in real life, we'll be using select dot star from user. So this is the pretty basic thing which you will be doing that. And so yeah, this is the thing. So now let's jump into the practical part. So in the practical part, I'll be fetching this table which I'm showing you in front of you in the screen. That is the user table. So let's just go and let's just clear it, and let's just make the caps lock on, and then write select. Sorry for the typo. Then write select, and then I'll be giving the asterisk mark from, I will write the table name from user. So this is basically the syntax, and let's now run this SQL query. Let's execute it. So after executing it, you can see that the table is present here at the bottom, the ID, the first name, last name, gender, and date of birth, and three of them are there, and you can see that three records are there. So it's pretty much like that. And if you want to know the count of it, then you can do it like this: select count and then star from user, and then you can hit the play button and it will give you 3. So you can do it like this as well. And suppose if you want to get only the first name, right? If you want to get only the first name, then you can query it like this: select first name, that we are selecting the first name from the table user. So it goes like that. Now then if you have to hit the play button, then the first name will be appeared in the bottom like this. And suppose you want to get the date of birth, then you can do it like this, like select date of birth from the table user, then hit the play button, it will be giving you all the date of birth. So it's pretty much basic, right? We'll be going into the advanced stuff in the future videos, but now let's push some fake data in our database. Cool. So for that, I'll be using a website known as Mockaroo, and you can go mockaroo.com, mockaroo.com. So you can go and have a look. So this is basically the look of the website. The purpose of the website is used to create fake data for development purpose and all the stuff. So we'll be creating obviously ID, then we'll be creating a first name, last name, then email, then gender, and then I'm thinking to write country, that which country are they residing, and you can select the type that I want country, right? And then you can do it like that. And I want to insert 500 rows because 1000 rows will be taking time if we are doing it in what to say in one by one manner. So I'll be doing SQL, and then you can hit preview for that. So it will be looking like this, as you can see. And I'll be also required to actually I will also require the create table query. So I'll hit on that. And if you want some of the table as blank, then you can write 30% blank or 50% blank. So I'm not like focusing on that, just I'm creating a table, and then you can like just preview it, and then you can see that this is like this. So yeah, now I'd be downloading the data like this. just click on download and it will download. I will keep keeping this on desktop. After that, I'll be opening my terminal, that is I'm using item. Then after going it, I'll be going to the desktop, and then okay, let's keep it into separate folder. And let's keep this file into the separate folder, and then just go into it, SQL course. Then let's do code dot, and let's open the VS Code editor. VS Code got opened, as you can see. So now we'll view this file basically. Let's close this. Yeah, so now we'll be also writing some constraints here. So yeah, like this, everything will be not null. I don't want any null values in my tables, so like this I will write. So yeah, it's done. So now I'll be like, you can see that ID, first name and last name, like everything. This is the insert table, insert value command, and this is a create table command. I hope you guys can recall it, and if you haven't watched the previous video, then I highly recommend you to go and watch that videos. I'll be linking the playlist in the description or in the I button. So now let's copy everything. Just Control A and copy, and just go into our data grip editor, and let's just remove this, and then just close it down for a while, and then you will just paste it. So this is the total SQL query which we want to run, and then I'll hit execute. After hitting execute, I'll be selecting each and every SQL query which is there in my data grid, and then I'll hit the second one, and after that, I guess yeah, the rows are affecting, and the data is being uploaded. Let's go into our Superbase IDE, or not, no IDE, sorry, the Superbase website, and then you can see that a table name known as person is created. And if I hit on refresh, then things are there pretty much. There is no issues with the primary key and all the stuff. Everything is there intact. So basically it takes time because I'm inserting query one by one, like rather than doing that, like importing the SQL file. So I'm just showing you in that way. So it will take time, don't worry for that. And I guess till now it is on 73. Okay, so it will take time. I will make sure that I fast forward this section so that it don't kill your time. So yeah, I'm just fast forwarding video or skipping something, or skip some of the parts, right? So let's meet after a few. So the data pushing is done. So as you can see that 500 records are being added, and let's go into the Superbase console, and let's refresh the window. And yeah, I guess it got refreshed. Everything is went properly. We don't have any errors and all of the stuff. Then let's just select it and let's just delete it. And after then, let's see the count. I hope it comes as 500. I've shown you that how you can get the count, like this count, yeah. And then the table name is person, so like this, yeah, cool. Now let's run this query. So yeah, the count is 500. It's pretty much clear, and let's just display each and every one. So this is the column, select star from person. So it's pretty much basic, and let's just hit the play button. So you can see everything is displayed perfectly. There is no discrepancy at all. So this is how we actually push fake data in our databases. So in this video I've shown you that how you can push fake data as well as how you can retrieve your data from database. I hope you got my point, and I hope you understand the topic. let's wrap up this video, and let's next in the next video, let's meet in the next video and discuss that how we can limit our query, how we can do offset and all of the stuff. So I'm excited to teach you guys that thing. And also, I would like to make an announcement that Newton School is offering a full stack development course, which is free of cost at first before you get a job. After you do that course, the course is designed in such a way that every like mock interviews are being held and all of the stuff are being done. And after that, if you get a job around 5 lakhs to 40 lakhs, then you will be need to repay the money to Newton School. And also companies from like Unacademy, Zomato, Swiggy, they hire from the platform of Newton School, so you can also get hired from their platform as well. So it's a win-win-win situation. I I think that this is a very useful course for you guys, so you can just go and check out the video or check out their website. The link is in the description. I hope you guys will like it. And also, if you want to join our Telegram channel for resource and also for the updates, then I'll be giving the link in the description. I hope you guys will like it. And also, if you guys really like the channel, then motivate me by hitting the subscribe button as well as like the video. It really helps me to grow as well as provide some awesome content to you guys. So let's meet in the next one. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.